Starting around 15 August 2023, STEPN really is exchanging at 20 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5% in very most recent 1 hour in a by and large huge manner. GMT basically has an especially complete market cap of $205,712,236, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,136,387 in an actually genuinely enormous manner, or so they really thought. This essentially makes STEPN, GMT, by and large positioning at 138 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN explicitly in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023, which generally sort of is very huge amazingly. Is STEPN an essentially wise venture, or for the most part kind of worth purchasing in 2023, sort of kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is very huge? Will GMT cost truly sort of outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought? Or so they in every way that really matters thought. These truly generally are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, which for the most part basically is very huge, which for the most part is very critical. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023. As per the STEPN conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT value sort of in a real sense is supposed to for the most part cross an exceptionally kind of normal value level of 25 cents. The normal actually by and large least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the fundamentally by and large current year ought to by and large be 24 cents in a quite enormous manner, which is genuinely huge. Besides, GMT can sort of explicitly arrive at a really lovely greatest value level of 26 cents. GMT value figure August 2023. Concerning August 2023, STEPN truly is supposed to by and large arrive at an essentially least value worth of 20 cents, or so they generally thought, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The GMT cost could for the most part arrive at an incredibly greatest cost of 22 cents, with the truly normal cost around 22 cents. GMT value conjecture September 2023. With respect to September 2023, STEPN sort of most certainly is supposed to sort of arrive at a very least value worth of 21 cents, which by and large in every practical sense is genuinely critical in an all things considered huge way. The GMT cost could fundamentally really arrive at a kind of greatest cost of 23 cents, with the for the most part normal cost around 22 cents in an essentially significant manner incredibly. GMT value conjecture October 2023. The STEPN gauge for October 2023 expects that the GMT may actually most certainly arrive at a sort of especially greatest worth of 24 cents, with a sort of truly least cost of around 22 cents in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the in every way that really matters kind of normal value GMT can stretch around 23 cents for October in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN, GMT, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN generally is explicitly anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a kind of really normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very essentially limit of 25 cents and an especially least of 23 cents, which in a real sense sort of is genuinely critical, which for the most part is very huge. STEPN value figure December 2023, the very in every practical sense normal cost of STEPN, GMT, could especially go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023, which sort of for the most part is genuinely huge in a truly significant manner. GMT could for the most part sort of exchange around an especially greatest worth of 26 cents, with the very essentially least expected cost of 24 cents. STEPN certainly in every practical sense past value examination, in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto by and large has been somewhat diminished by 2.19% in its all things considered current worth, which for the most part generally is very critical, assuming we in every practical sense, look at the essentially current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's. You can in every way that really matters see that the market cap certainly is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN for the most part especially is confronting an essentially kind of difficult time jumping aboard, with commonly especially other crypto coins, kind of sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. The GMT sort of truly is down to nearly 5.73% in the reasonably fundamentally most recent 7 days, truly in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking in a significant way. The coin certainly generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for commonly certainly past quite couple of days. The coin could generally in a real sense have pretty areas of strength for extremely yet. We don't generally especially believe that it would a productive resource and beautiful kind of transient in a very significant manner. Inside the by and large for the most part most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT especially diminished by 49.126%, wiping out an astounding especially normal amount of 20 cents from its exceptionally kind of current worth, exhibiting that inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT in every practical sense explicitly diminished by 49.126%, dispensing with an astounding all things considered, normal amount of 20 cents from its for the most part current worth, which for the most part sort of is very critical in a significant manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin certainly explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a generally excellent for the most part, generally purchase a valuable open door for speedy interest in a pretty fundamentally significant manner in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 64.43%, and the cost especially explicitly circled from a for the most part least essentially normal cost of 51 cents to fundamentally greatest reasonably by and large normal cost of 59 cents, in the kind of beyond 90 days. Or so they certainly thought in an unpretentious manner. STEPN in a real sense essentially is somewhere near 20.36%, with the kind of really greatest sort of normal cost of the coin explicitly, most certainly was around 29 cents, and the especially least reasonably genuinely normal cost of truly was around 28 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months in a very significant manner, or so they thought. STEPN value conjecture 2023 facts. What will for the most part be STEPN kind of worth in 2023? The GMT cost in every practical sense generally is estimated to actually certainly arrive at a truly lovely most extreme degree of 26 cents, with by and large least cost of 24 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in an exceptionally kind of significant manner in a significant manner. Does STEPN fundamentally truly have a future in an unpretentious manner? Which is very critical. As far as value, STEPN certainly especially has an extraordinary sort of potential to truly arrive at new levels, which explicitly shows that these sort of are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, or so they by and large generally thought. It especially is estimate that GMT will increment in esteem in a very enormous way.